It's almost March break, and while I wait for spring and the children go off on their 7-day March break vacation, whether they go to the sunny beaches of Florida, or the college kids go to the Caribbean, or the parents take the children somewhere, or they just stay home, who knows. But me, on the other hand, I look at my seed catalog just to make sure I haven't missed anything. Yes, I did. I look at my seed catalog. I've already ordered my seeds for this coming year. I got in there early just in case there was a rush in the spring of this year. I wanted to get them before. So I did, and I'm very happy I did. So I'm all ready with my seeds. I just have to make a permaculture bed, cut a lot of limbs down, and build a canopy. And oh, I found some wood for the canopy. Yes, indeedy. My seeds are as follows. Patio Snacker. These are so good. They're about 3 inches long. They're a yellowish type cucumber, and they are so delicious. And then the cherry bomb tomato, because I have a very short tomato season here, so I find that the cherries are the best to use, which I'm very close to getting my seedlings started. Sowing some seeds very soon, maybe about 8 or 9 weeks, and then a little bit beyond. And the ground cherry, Aunt Molly's ground cherry, I'm going to try that. I've never grown these before, but I've heard they're very, very good, and they mature quite quickly, 60 to 65 days. And I thought I would do the Camelot onions. Yes, again, this year, I will try this. I can't wait. And there are a lot of other things I'm going to plant, but this is just, a lot of this is down in the yard. Other things I'm going to plant on my deck. And the 2 types of winter squash I'm going to plant. I think I bought the 2 types of squash to plant. I'm not sure I'm going to do it, but I think I will. Yes, I think I will. These will be probably on my deck. Maybe not. I think they're going to be a big plant, so no, they're going to have to go down in the yard too. Yeah, they will. Winter squash, and yeah, those are going to have to be planted in the yard. But I am looking forward to planting my new bed, the tomatoes. As many as I can get in there, depending on how big I make the bed, because I need at least 18 to 24 inches in between the plants down there, so I don't run into any trouble. So we're going to see. I've scavenged some wood for the canopy, and if you've watched my other video, you are aware I need the canopy because I'm going to have chicken wire on the top of the canopy to protect my tomato plants from falling limbs, because my neighbor's tree loses a lot of limbs throughout the year, and yeah, it would kill my tomato plants right off the bat, and then I'm done for the season because tomatoes take too long. I mean, you can't. I don't have enough time for a second go around. So I had an idea. I have a picnic table with wooden slats. They're 2x4s, and they slide into plastic ends that turn into a picnic table. And I was going to take that apart and split the wood. And then I had an old dresser that we didn't need anymore and we couldn't do anything with. So I have decided to take it apart. And it's easier to store and use some of the wood, do something else with it. I love doing that. I love working with wood and building something out of scraps. I just love doing that kind of thing. Anyhow, I managed to get enough, and it's hardwood. This was a dresser that was made over 30 years ago, and it was all solid hardwood. You can't find that anymore. It's a shame to take it apart, but, you know, you do what you got to do. You can't keep everything forever. Anyhow, I have, I believe, just what I need to make my canopy for my new permaculture bed. I've been thinking about it, and I think I will have enough wood to do it. I already have the chicken wire. Like I said, I have everything I need. I have the bolts, have everything. I just gotta wait for the ground to thaw. And it's gonna take a while for that to happen, folks. It really will.